In this segment, we'll show you how to operate, maintain, and store your plug aerator. Read the owner's manual and safety rules before operating your plug aerator. The lift handle raises the aerator to the transport position on the upper bracket and lowers it to the operating position on the lower bracket. Before you begin aerating, mow the lawn and remove loose clippings. If the ground is extremely hard and dry, it is recommended that it be watered down for 1 to 2 hours prior to aerating. The points of the aerator knives are sharp. Exercise caution at all times while using your aerator. Vehicle braking and stability may be affected by the addition of an accessory such as the plug aerator. Be aware of changing conditions on slopes. To use your aerator, start the tractor with the controls in neutral, and then place the throttle at a slow engine speed. Engage the lift lever at the lowest possible forward speed, and lower the aerator, allowing the plugger points to enter the ground. Increase speed as conditions permit. Aerate in the straightest line possible, making overlapping passes to increase the plugger point pattern. To prevent damage to the lawn, avoid extremely sharp turns when your plugger points are engaged. Do not cross over walks or drives without first raising the aerator to the transport position. On sloped lawns, always aerate in an up and down direction. Do not attempt to follow the contour of the ground. Do not attempt to aerate if the ground is too wet or muddy. Due to small rocks and gravel, which are normally present in aerated soil plugs, it is recommended that the plugs be raked. Otherwise, damage to the lawnmower blades may occur, especially when reel-type mowers are used. To increase the depth of the plugger point penetration, you can add up to 140 pounds of weight, such as sand or concrete blocks. Added weights can be secured to the front and rear of the tray. Make sure to fasten the weights so that the ties or straps cannot become entangled in the rotating parts of the aerator. To prevent injury, dismount the tractor to raise or lower the aerator when the weight is added. Before each use, make a thorough visual inspection of the plug aerator and tighten any bolts that may have loosened after the previous use. Lubricate your aerator wheels and oil the spool assemblies and shaft as needed. Clean the dirt off the aerator knives after each use. While cleaning, be careful of sharp edges. The plugger points can be sharpened periodically with a small grinder. This will help maintain good soil penetration. To sharpen the plugger points, first remove them from the aerator. As you grind the points, follow the original angle and contour of the points. To store your aerator, first clean it and lightly oil all exposed metal parts to prevent rust.